Well, 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 Dad, look who's all grown up. Not me. Today, I'm driving the Kia Stinger and telling you about it. It's the new car show. Ba, ba, ba. I am no stranger to the Stinger. I rode in one both at New York Fashion Week because I'm a model and SEMA because I'm a car guy. So when Kia paid us to actually drive one at one of their Stinger experiences, I jumped at the chance. I like driving cars that belong to other people. Sue me. Don't sue me. After I totally impressed / showed up everyone at the autocross course, I was like, yo, can I take my new thumbs with me? To my surprise, they said, all right, yeah, sure. So I've been driving around town and here is what I think about it. I can already see the comments. Nice Kia commercial, sellout. Pumphrey is a whore! Now I am gonna be very honest about our relationship with Kia. We have done work for them before. They have paid us for that work. They did not pay us to make this video. They gave us a car and asked us to give you our honest opinion, and that's what I'm gonna do. You still don't believe me? It's not a commercial. There's a bunch of people out there that no matter how good this car is, they're gonna say, yeah, well, still a Kia. I know it's a Kia, but think about this. When Japanese companies first started exporting cars to America, people were wary of them too. And now a Toyota Land Cruiser starts at $85,000 and nobody bats an eye. It's Kia saying, yo, South Korea knows what's up. First, she's a good looking car from the back and the sides especially. When you see it in the parking lot, you're like, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. I definitely looked over my shoulder a couple times when I was doing the doot-doot. Oh, doot-doot, damn. The front end and the hood, not my favorite. Bart really likes it, but Bart also wears t-shirts with fake tuxedos on the front. It's got these fake hood vents that I just like don't understand. I think the whole thing would look a lot better without it. Other than that, I really do think it looks pretty good. The wheels should be an inch bigger. They should throw some D's on that bitch. Now, the interior. The interior is where this car really shines. Sitting in the Stinger makes you feel like you have your shit together. Everything is so nice that for a brief moment, I was distracted from my stressful ass life and my lifelong search for my missing father. I didn't think about any of those when I was in this nice car because it's got seat coolers. Now my butt is hot, now my butt is cool. Now my butt is cool. And I could charge my phone without plugging it in. It's comfy, it's quiet, it feels solid, like a well-trained Saint Bernard. And the stereo, friggin' bumps. The Stinger is fast. Not Dodge Demon fast, obviously, but for sure Audi fast. What's up, Kia? It's got a twin turbo V6 and enough power to plant your noggin into the headrest. Our Stinger came with the optional all-wheel drive, and I was more than impressed with how well it pulls you out of the corners. It makes you feel like you're a good driver, which is not a way that I always feel. Our Stinger had paddle shifters, and if you wanted to have fun, all you had to do was drop a gear. Now, Kia and all the magazines say that the Stinger is a direct competitor for the BMW 4 Series, but honestly, I think it's more directly competitive with the 5 Series because the Stinger is big. It's almost 16 feet long, but compared to a 2018 BMW 540i xDrive, the Kia has more power and is faster. And if you want to get cooled seats, my butt's so cool, in the BMW, you gotta buy like $20,000 worth of options. You could buy like a pretty nice Mark IV Supra for that much money and daily your Stinger. This car is a friggin' bargain. When you think about it like that, this car's a friggin' steal. $52,000, this thing is a steal. The only thing you don't get for that price is the badge. The reason the Kia performs and looks like a German car is because it was designed in Germany. It got its looks from Peter Schreier, a former Audi designer who penned the TT, the best looking car ever. But the secret behind the Stinger's awesome driving feel is a guy named Albert Biermann. Who is Albert Biermann? Are you kidding me? Well, before Kia, he spent about 30 years at BMW and was the vice president of engineering of the M division. Anyway, I really like the Stinger. At first, I thought that it might be a misstep to put all of this effort and technology into a sedan, a segment that is shrinking across the board. Yeah, I thought it would make more sense to take this awesome engine and fancy interior stuff and put it in some sort of luxury SUV, which I'm sure they will at some point. But the brands that Kia is gunning for, for, the BMWs, the Audis. They build the best sedans in the world. I mean, what's more iconic, the M3 and RS4 or the X blank and Q whatever S? If Kia can build one to rival those guys, then yo, that's a big success. The Stinger is Kia showing up to the playground and being like, yo, Audi, BMW, what's up? No, I can't dunk yet, but I have amazing fundamentals. Not a commercial. Thanks for watching New Car Show. Click the subscribe button. The more subs we get, the more cool stuff we get to do with you guys. Thank you so much for supporting us. Go follow me on Instagram at James Pumphrey. Follow Donut on Instagram at Donut Media. Check out this video where I drove the Dodge Demon. Jealous? You wanna know what twin turbo actually means? Check out this episode of Science Garage where Bart breaks it down for you. I love you.